Are you curious about how the line ball press works? Line ball press production, line shot site, together to see, first, before the boot to clean up the debris of the line ball press. Fixed bolts, check whether the various bolts of the machine loose off. Remove the load is allowed to start the line ball press. 2. Line ball press test machine. First use the point method to make the motor pulse rotation, such as no other noise. Normal operation can be started. 3. To the line ball press feeding machine. Should ensure that the electric feeder feeding uniform and according to the warehouse pressure situation of the electric feeder to the best effect. 4. After the end of each shift, should be the line ball press bin material is used up, shall not leave raw materials. Avoid starting with load, finally normal stop or emergency stop, and drive the opposite order.